I'm going to do a quick demonstration on this Graco pump. We're just dry running. Here's your air coming in. This connects over to the air motor on the pump. We're going to just start a little water in there now. Just dry firing the motor. Don't want to do that for too long. Then of course, and there you go. There's our lift. Everything's working. Do recommend replacing all maintenance items, seals, O-rings, etc. Gaskets. These should be changed with every service. Anyway, we've got lots of these in stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. Thanks for joining us today.